What's going on, y'all? We're back out here in the garage trying to get some work done on Project Family Hauler. We noticed that a front left wheel hub assembly was starting to get some play, starting to make some noise, and I want to nip it in the butt before we lose the wheel, before tragedy strikes. So let me show you that process. It should be fairly straightforward. Remove the tire, remove the calipers, remove the rotor, unbolt the hub, and put in the new one. So let's get started. It's a nice cold Colorado afternoon. It's about 30-something degrees and snowing outside, or it was snowing. It just stopped, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get this done before we get any weather in further. We're going to start right here. It's a 14 millimeter bolt, and then there's another one right there. It's hard to see without my light on, sorry guys. And then take those off, pull the caliper loose, then we'll take the bracket out. Actually, because it's a two-wheel drive, I'm not sure I'm going to actually have to take the bracket out. The bracket off the caliper. I'm going to try not to and see what happens. I'll let you guys know how that works out. Alright you guys, so my phone died. The cold weather kind of took its toll on the battery. But here you have 4 17 millimeter headed bolts. Take those off, and your whole assembly comes out of the front. I didn't get a chance to film it, but I ended up having to take the brake caliper off as well. Those were two 21 millimeter bolts, or 21 millimeter headed bolts, I apologize. While I was waiting for my phone to recharge, I went ahead and put it back together. Let me show you where we're at with that, so you guys can kind of get a gist of what all went on. With the caliper loose, we'll take this 8 millimeter bolt out here, and then we'll be able to do the 4 bolts for the hub. Alright you guys, we're back out. This is the right front hub replacement on Project Family Hauler. We did the left front in the beginning of the video, and I'm sorry it was so choppy. My phone really didn't like the cold weather. So today at 65 out, we shouldn't have any issues. We'll try to get you a clear shot of what goes on with replacing the hub on the passenger side. You can see we got the brake caliper out of the way. Now I misspoke when I did the other side, and probably because it was cold and I was trying to hurry. On this side, these are 13 millimeter headed bolts. Now I'm redoing the brake pads while I'm in here. Something you want to make sure you do is re-grease these slide pins so they don't stick. Now we're going to come around to the back side here. You've got this bolt here, which is a 21 millimeter, and you've got another one right here. Those are 20. That's a 21 millimeter. And then you've got the 4 bolts that hold the hub, which are right here. And those are 17s. Gonna undo the caliper bracket bolts first. Get those undone, and then undo the 4 bolts off the hub, and then take everything out together, or take everything off. So let's get that going. Here is the finished spindle assembly ready for the test drive.
Alright you guys, so after a short test drive, brakes feel good, front end feels tight, no pulling, no wandering. So we're going to go ahead and end this video here. What I will say is next video we should be doing some bed lighting. Still got to finish up the Mazda and start addressing some things on Gus Gus. So thanks for watching y'all, God bless, take care.